Dusty boots and blistered hands, sifting hope the river sends. All that glowed in noonday light turned to rock by candlelight. But the weight inside my palm taught me worth can't be bought calm. Every lie that shone so bold left me wiser than pure gold. Fool's gold lessons, hard and bright, glittered but couldn't stand the night. What was lost and what was gain? Just the price to break the chain. Now I spot the falls from far, not from books but from the scars. Some truths only